Slow progress, but it's getting there. How many horsepower do I have? Welcome back to another video. In this video, as you can see, I'm at the blue tractor because I need to get some diesel out of this thing. This tank still has a lot of diesel in it, and I'm gonna get it out and put it in the green tractor because in this video it's gonna be kind of a vlog of getting a hay roll to the goats. And second of all, it's gonna be going to get sticks. So we're gonna get a trailer, our trailer, and gonna go get like 2 or 3 piles of sticks, and we're gonna bring them directly next to the goats, since we've been giving the sticks to the goats and they've actually cleaned all of it. And yeah, I'll show you also the time lapse of me processing the sticks, which means just actually splitting the what goes for wood chips and what goes for fire / our fence. So yeah, let's get started, get the fuel out, and go get the green tractor started. This might take a while. Jesus, I only got like half a liter. So that's my setup for getting the fuel out. Now I don't need to hold it because it is very slow. Now that the tractor is actually further from the wall, I want to take this plate off. This is actually for the snow plow, but I want to use this plow on the green tractor for scooping our road straight, because our middle has gotten so big that a lot of times it's scratching the bottom of the car, especially if the car is a bit lower because of, you know, bringing something home like cement. Then it's scratching on the bottom. So, and of course it's just making a mess of it driving. So I would like to scrape it straight the road. That might fill up the potholes as well, and if it doesn't, then we're gonna fill them up after. But let's take this thing off. Also, the green tractor needs this support for keeping these two plates together better, and a lot of screws are missing on the other one. So we're just gonna take this off and bring it to the other tractor. Is heavy as far as I remember. What's the easiest way of taking this thing off without dropping it on my feet? Some steel. Whoa. It's also a bit crooked. Before I start the tractor, I actually need to take this bar off, which is the linkage for the front wheel drive, and it actually snapped. So yeah, since it's broken, let's remove it, and I'll fix it another time. I would like to redesign it to be a bit better so it actually has movement in it. so it does not snap off like this. I feel like it looks a lot better now as well with the lights. And this thing, it looks more meaner, more the way it should be. Now it has plenty of screws to support the front axle. And yeah, let's get it started. Go bring the hay roll, and then we're gonna swap it to the attachment for the trailer. We're probably gonna bring the trailer, we need to modify it a bit, and probably pump up the tires as well, they're probably low. So yeah, let's get the tractor started. Get the good hay off. Good tractor. Got us here, no problem at all. That's one giant pile, pretty much two piles. So while loading, I was paying attention on the tires. I didn't realize all my weight is on one side, which means this tire is quite fluffy, and I hope it's all okay. Definitely can't load more, so yeah, let's head home. So that's where it is, next to the goats. This ditch I thought was going to be a problem. It sinked in actually a lot, like half a meter down, but it pulled it out no problem. The tractor's quite a beast. Broke quite a lot of the pear tree, but it's not like it lacks branches. It's quite a big tree. And broke a few branches, but we got it there. And now we can give the sticks straight to goats without bringing them over. And then we're just gonna put them straight back on and bring them back, I guess. Or we're just gonna pull them back, we'll see. I could also just dump them and bring more, but for now that's gonna last for a bitty. And then Despina comes back and she can help me with the rest, because it's a lot more left. Whew. So that's gonna be pretty much it with this video. The reason Despina is not here, I don't know if a lot of you don't know it, but the live stream we said it, she is in Germany at her grandma's birthday. And yeah, this is the last video I'll have to do alone. In 2 days she's back. But yeah, hope you enjoyed, and we're gonna see you next time. I love my tractor, it's working so amazing. The trailer needs a bit of work, but it is functioning, it just needs new tires, I think. But yeah, bye bye. Say bye bye, goaties. Bye bye. No, man, nothing.